Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deactivating your Facebook account from the Facebook app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Deactivating your Facebook account is temporary and not the same as deleting it. When you deactivate your account, your profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from the things you shared. You can still use Messenger with the Messenger app. If you would like to delete your account permanently instead, follow the steps in the video I made about permanently deleting your account. Open the Facebook app and tap the 3 lines menu button. Choose Settings and Privacy from the options. Then choose Settings. Tap on the Accounts Center tab at the top of Settings. Under the Account Settings heading, tap Personal Details. Then choose Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, if you have multiple accounts here, you need to choose the account that you would like to deactivate. Make sure Deactivate Account is selected. It will have the blue dot to the right of it when it is. Tap Continue. You now need to enter your account password and tap Continue. Choose a reason why you are deactivating your account and tap Continue. Here you have the option to automatically reactivate your account after a specific amount of time. If you would like your account to automatically reactivate, select the number of days that you would like it to reactivate after. If you would not like your account to automatically reactivate, then scroll down and select Don't Reactivate Automatically. Tap Continue. Note that if you would also like to deactivate Messenger, you first have to deactivate your Facebook account. Then you can deactivate Messenger after. You can watch the video I made about deactivating Messenger to learn how to do it. Tap Deactivate My Account. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. You can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.